pretty strong. I remember there was this time mwisho wa last year when she got sick. At some point, tuliingia social media because she got really bad. And from that time, me I speak the honest truth. Yenye Imac adorone kuga wajiko no waliria mahede ya kuheana tribute yakwa. Muthenya ucio ndwari mwega, na after that, me I was scared. I was really scared. And by the end of it, aria mo take over Maria Shiari. My biggest regret ni ati kuma muthenya ucio ri, I never met Imac. We only talked on phone. Even the last message she sent me was an apology message. She was saying like, Wanjiko, I'm sorry, it's because of the episode. It's because of the maniac, but I'm taking accountability. Like when she's okay, she'll take accountability for it. So we have to understand she was sick. And she used to call me Wajiko, my best friend. But when I got the message of her passing on, I realized I was not strong enough to be her best friend. I was a coward. Like I stayed away when I saw like it's bad, I stayed away, and the family was there for her. So I'd say like she fought for everyone. She loved everyone. Alikuwa anafaitia mtu, and she was smart. She was intelligent. As the family has lost her, the country has also lost a very important person, and also in the world of content creation.